Hi, it's Lindsay again here at Udell Botanical Gardens, and today I want to show you how you can build your own fairy house in your own backyard. Currently I'm standing here in Udell's Fairy Forest, and we have a wonderful hands-on area that we encourage you to come out and use once we're through this time. But in the meantime, I'm going to show off some of the materials that we have here for kids to use. And a lot of this stuff you can find in your very own backyard, or front yard at that. So a lot of materials that we use are bark, wood, even seashells. If you went to the beach and collected shells, that's a great material to use. Rocks, pine cones, leaves, you name it. These are all things that are easy to find and are really fun to use when you're building your own fairy house. So I'm going to collect a few things, and we're going to go over to one of the stumps to create our masterpiece. Okay? I'm just going to do a handful of rocks, collect some wood biscuits. Okay. All right, follow me over here. So here, I'm going to build my fairy house. And sometimes the simplest fairy houses are the best fairy houses. Something else that you can do from home is paint rocks. We actually had Girl Scouts paint these rocks with children in our Children in the Dell program. And so that's something really fun and easy that you can do at home as well. So we'll leave those out there, the sun and the tree. So this is the time you use your imagination, because in the world of fairies, anything is possible. So when I look at these little wood biscuits, I think, wow, those would make really great stepping stones. So I'm going to place them here, and maybe I'll use these rocks to line my path. Whatever makes your heart sing. Here we go. That looks like a perfect path to a fairy house. And maybe I'll put seashells at the very beginning of my path. And this is where you can make lean-to shelters, really anything that resembles a home or a shelter. Let's see, maybe this is the kitchen, and sometimes things will fall down. Maybe that's the, I don't know. What do you think this part is? I want you to use your imagination too. Really, there's no wrong answer when creating a fairy house. So there you have it. This is my fairy house for now. And I hope you'll stay tuned in as we share other exciting projects that you can do from your own home.